Rishton shahri kulollar shahri hisoblanadi, hunarmandlar shahri hisoblanadi. Butun xalqi mehnatsevar.
In the small town of Ristan, in Uzbekistan's Fergana Valley, pottery is more than a profession. It is a living tradition, carried from the soil to the hands of its artisans. And it all begins with clay. This is where the clay is born, from the red earth that lies just beneath the grass. The same earth that has fed orchards now shapes bowls and plates. This unique clay is shaped by the water, purified and prepared for the wheel. Every step follows ancient methods, using only natural materials. Crafted with patience and passion, every ceramic embodies the harmony of fire, clay and glaze.
Tirik loydan yasalgan mahsulotda chiroyli tomoni bor. O'ziga qandaydir olib, o'ziga xos tozalashi ham bo'ladi.
From raw earth, the potter gives life to a vessel. Then the decorator adds color and design.
Ustida hamma vaqt shakliga qarab naqsh topadi. Chunki bu naqshni qaysi holatdan ko'radigan bo'lsa, insonni ko'zi tushadigan joyga chiroyli naqsh o'ylanadi. Naqsh mana shu shaklni to'ldirish kerak. Ikkalasi bir-biriga uyg'unlashishi kerak.
Colors come from natural oxides: copper green, cobalt blue, iron brown. The glaze is made from plants and ashes collected each autumn, ground into powder and fired at 1200 degrees.
Chunki o'simlikdan sir tayyorlash bu albatta O'rta Osiyo, Eron, Afg'oniston mana shu tomonlarda bu sirdan foydalanib keladi. Bu qadimdan.
By the master's side, apprentices learn the secrets of Ristan ceramics, a training that can take more than 10 years. Every student here is both a keeper of history and an inventor of tomorrow. During the training, they learn to mold the clay even with their eyes closed.
Men bu ish bilan 8 yildan beri shug'ullanaman. Hozirgi paytda loyda ishlash jarayoni ko'proq yoqadi. Shakllarni ko'proq his qilish, yana boshqacha shakllarni yaratish o'zimga juda yoqadi.
Oybek began when he was just 12, giving up football and games to dedicate himself to pottery.
Yo'q, afsuslanmayman. Hozirgi kunda o'sha yoshligimda ota-onam yaxshi ham shu ishga olib kirib qo'yishgan ekan.
Before we departed, the master and the apprentice guided us through their craft, showing how clay takes shape with patience and care. We then explored the art of decoration, where precision meets imagination and every stroke tells a story. But in Ristan, pottery is not only an intimate art, it is also a growing industry.
96-yildan faoliyatni boshlaganmiz. 4-avlod vakillarimiz. Mana shu korxonada shu 250 xildan ortiq mahsulot ishlab chiqaramiz. 10 ming xil turda naqshlanadi.
From large decorative platters to everyday dishes, Ristan ceramics are both art and utility.
Bu hammasi fantaziyadan kelib chiqadigan narsa. Bir joyga borganda ham bitta narsani ko'rsa, o'shandan qanaqadir ilhom olib qo'shilaveradi, ya'ni. Buni oxiri bo'lmaganini hisobiga cheklov yo'q bu hunarda.
Har biri boshqacha ma'no bildiradi. Bular unikalni asosan har bitta naqsh o'ziga yarasha detali yaxshi chizilishi kerak. Bu ish o'zi takrorlanmas.
What once relied on just a few colors now dazzles with as many as 7.
Ishlatiladigan ranglar ham toshlardan, gullardan olinadi. Bular hammasi tabiiy, ximikat qo'shilmaydi. Soha unikalni deb atalgani uchun har bitta odam o'zining ichki dunyosidan kelib chiqib, ranglari tanlaydi.
Here, painting is not decoration, it is storytelling in color and line. Ceramics are also at the heart of Ristan's tourism. Festivals and forums draw visitors from around the world, and even the town's famous plov is served in locally made dishes.
Ko'proq turistlarimizni jalb qilishi shu Rishton kulolchiligida, Rishton tovog'ida osh yeyiladi. Undan tashqari ekoturizm, agroturizm bor. Bizda turizm xilma-xilligi bor tumanda.
From the red clay of the valley to the hands of masters and apprentices, from family workshops to international festivals, Ristan ceramics reveal themselves as more than objects. They are vessels of heritage, carrying the soul of a community through centuries of artistry.